Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn a normal photo into a dramatic post-rain sunset photo in just seconds. So let's get started. First, just open ChatGPT, and then after that, just go to menu, this one, and then just go to images, and then scroll down, or just find this style that called post-rain sunset, this one, and then just choose your photo from your gallery, or you can also take a new selfie by your camera. And in this tutorial I will just choose my photo from my gallery like this, and then after that just tap on done and wait for the process. And okay, like this, your ordinary photo is now a cinematic dramatic pose and sunset shot like this. It's so cool. I think it's so dramatic and beautiful with this sunset vibe like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.